Krista Cooper and Jayson Dixon visiting from the high school, and I want to ask them how they're doing at the high school. What helped you at the high school that we did in the 8th grade? You want to pick one first?
Going over the real numbers all the time. When we go in the back and we copy it down in the back of our paper, that really helped stick it in my head to use it for some chapters.
So you did use that at the high school?
Mm-hmm. We ended up using that at the high school.
All right.
When she makes you, in the sets, when she makes you do a problem over and over and over again, it helps you remember it, obviously, but over the summer when you don't do it at all and when you get back to school, you remember it like that, like no problem.
Because it was repeated all year.
Yeah.
Okay. So what about how about the metric staircase?
Oh yeah, no, the chant that we learned, that really stuck with me. The kill hungry deer costs money. That I use in science and in math because we use it a lot in science actually with conversions and stuff.
So do you have to convert?
Yeah,
science?
we do a lot.
So
of that,
like 10 millimeters is how many? Go ahead.
No, sorry. I remember hypotenuse. We're doing that in science too. We're doing that a lot.
Oh, in science.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, in science we're using the metric system and we're using that. We use some of the formulas we learned down here too. So
cool.
So it's
and perfect squares and perfect cubes that you had to write all the time. Did that help?
That helped too, because we had to do that a lot in science too. Like in science and in math, I had to use it both.
So that way, if you come up in science and you have to do 9 squared, you already know it.
Yeah, I know it right off the bat. It's like
81.
Because it doesn't because we use calculators in there too. So I don't have to spend the time typing it in like that extra minute or so. I can just have it down and get that in my problems and papers done, no problem.
So the other thing you had mentioned earlier about when you're doing a problem like where I have to draw a line, I draw a line, I put a 6 over, I put a 6 over, and then the other times where you draw a line.
Mm-hmm. That helps me keep track of where I'm going in the problem because I still do it now. And I'll go through the problems and write down my lines to know where I'm at and what to add and what I'm subtracting. Otherwise, I get really mixed up of what the heck I just did. So I'm not able to go back and fix what I messed up.
Exactly. It gives you a form.
See what I messed up in the process.
Yes. The lines help.
The lines, the circles, all of it.
I have students that don't want to draw a big line. They just leave it.
When I don't
They want to do it without the line, and it doesn't help without the line.
It doesn't section it off, so you mix up numbers and stuff too. So.
Okay, here's 2 kids. They're at the high school now, and they are confirming that helps.
I want to say one more thing. Has nothing math related, but some of you may not be happy with the teacher that you have right now. Like, you may think she's annoying, all that stuff.
I can be annoying.
Yeah, well, but sooner you'll realize that everything that she does actually pays off in high school. Like everything she does actually does something to you. Like it helps you remember. Best teacher you could probably get.
Yeah, I would not be where I'm at now with the grades I have now, and I wouldn't know the stuff I know now without her teaching me. Because I believe with any other teacher, I would have not got the score I got with the state testing last year. I wouldn't be.
And what was that score?
That was
high advanced
a very high advance. I got
this one
beat
did
97% of the Ohio State children.
Yes,
she did better than 97% of all the children in the state of Ohio.
Yes,
it was.
That's awesome.
And I did better than 95, but she still did better than
me. So really listen, pay attention, and by the end of the year, you will grow to love Miss Mock.
Yeah, you'll miss her.
Thank you.
I miss you very much at the high school. I hate it.
Miss you.
All right. Thank you so much. Interview over.